Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, we will explain about nature of entrepreneurship and business model canvas. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our members. First, Ali Farazi Syaki Parmadi. Second, Elgisa RB Triana. Third, Hana Zahra Faisa. Fourth, Muhammad Reski Al-Akbar. Fifth, Trisha Nurlani Regina. We want to explain about business culinary food, that is ganjelan.idn. Business profile. This business is own business, doesn't have mitra business, established since August 2021. This business is at Perumna Street number 245 in Depok, Sleman, Yogyakarta. The selling strategy is promotion, serve customers well, and preparing to open the shop. The vision is selling food with high taste, snack products that have a variety of flavors and variants of toppings at affordable prices, so that all people can enjoy them.
Our second point is about selling strategy in the pandemic era. First strategy is increasing promotion on various social media platforms and placing promo banners in strategic places. From that point, we can conclude that if we want our product knowing by a lot of people, we should have a lot of strategy to make everyone interesting with our product. We can use the promotion in social media, or we have to discount to our product and take several banner in some strategic places which is passed by a lot of people. So if there are many people, they are interested with our product, they will come over to us and buying our product. And the second strategy is about holding a promo when there is a big event and partnering with GoFood. From that, we can choose some promo or make stand food in the big event because there are many people and that's our opportunity to get a big profit and make everyone interesting with our promotion and also our product. So for the last strategy is about create a sharing event as a means of introducing our selling products to the community and many people. From that, we need to introducing our product to everyone in the small or big community for get a lot of customers in our selling product. And of course, with this event, we can to interested a lot of people who are buying our product.
Okay, in this point, I will tell you about the describe of this product. The product offered are in the form of food products that are classified as snacks or snacks, namely waffles. Waffle is a kind of cake that tastes sweet and delicious, that can be filling because it contains carbohydrate in it. The waffles at ganglin.idn have various topping variants from sweet ones such as chocolate, milk, Oreo, and cheese. And this production asset is the packaging, tools machine, stand to sell. And the raw ingredient assets, it's a flour, milk, and egg.
The product excellent. First point is affordable price so that it can be consumed by various community of people. The second point has a variety of flavors and toppings, so there are many choice for consumer who will buy. And the third point is a filling snack with an affordable price can be the solution when starving come over.
And the next is business model canvas. Key partners. 1. Supermarket vendor. for flour, egg, milk, and other raw ingredients. 2. Packaging supplier. 3. Tools machine agent. 4. GoFood provide. Next, K activities. 1. Shops for ingredients. 2. Make the dough. 3. Go to the stand sale. 4. Make waffles according to the order. Next, K resources. 1. Supermarket. Raw ingredient assets is flour, egg, and milk. Production asset is packaging, tools machine, stand to sell. Promotion asset is cell phone and internet connection. Value proposition. 1. The price are affordable. 2. A snack that can make fill up. 3. The toppings are variety. 4. Halal. Customer relationship is personally or directly to the consumer. The channels is Instagram, WhatsApp, and GoFood. Customer segments. 1. All age consumers. 2. Housewife, ibu rumah tangga. 3. Students near Condong, Catur, and Seturan areas. Next, cost structure. 1. Cost for purchasing raw ingredients and packaging. 2. Cost for product processing or cooking process. 3. Cost for tools machine. 4. Cost for rental place sale. 5. Cost for promotion via internet or digital promotion. Revenue streams is sales of waffle by the order. That's all the presentation from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.